UAE has transformed from a desert into one of the most advanced countries in the world.
This transformation shows the vision, strength, and ambition of its people.
The UAE was once seen as empty land with big sand dunes. Now it is a place of innovation and progress.
This change shows that with determination, anything is possible. This success is due to the teamwork of people from different backgrounds, working united for a common goal. Engineers, workers, and visionaries have all played a part in shaping the UAE's future. On UAE National Day, we celebrate our unity. We are committed to working together to create a better nation through excellence.
Let's become united. United we flourish. United Arab Emirates.